Certainly that depends on the circumstances. If the police are asking to search your home or your property, there's one reason that they're asking, and that's because they do not have a search warrant or the illegal authority to do it. So they're asking you to consent to that. In other words, they're asking you to give them permission to do something that they otherwise could not do. There are two circumstances of that. One is that something may have just happened, which you may be aware of, which may give rise to probable cause, and they may try to detain you to go get a search warrant, which will take a few hours. Either way, whether you give them a warrant or not, you're probably going to be detained for several hours and forced to wait there while the police search. Police searches can be pretty significant in terms of messing up your property and tossing your drawers and that sort of thing. The other situation where the police come and ask to search is what's called a knock and talk. A knock and talk is done after the police have had a meeting and they have determined that they do not have the legal authority to search your house or your premises. So what they are doing is they're just going to give it a shot. They're going to knock on the door and see if you'll just somehow let them do something that otherwise they would not be allowed to do. If you're subject to a knock and talk and the police do not have a search warrant and do not have the basis to search, and you say no, you don't consent, then they're just going to leave because they really don't have any other choice.